Welcome back to Chemistry Concept, and today we are going to talk about common ion effect. And let us understand this, a tricky concept, with an example of acetic acid CH3COOH. If I dissolve it into water, if I mix it into water, we know that this weakly dissociate to give acetate ions plus a hydrogen ion. Now, to this solution of acetic acid, if I add sodium acetate CH3COONA, which is a strong electrolyte, so it will completely dissociate to give acetate ion plus sodium ion. So can you just think of that what would be the net effect, that is, to a solution of acetic acid if I add a dropwise the sodium acetate? Would there be any effect, or would there be any change in the solution? And the answer is yes, because this is a weak electrolyte. Acetic acid was in equilibrium with its ion into the solution. When I added sodium acetate, it produced acetate ion into the solution, and this acetate ion is also present in was already present in the solution, or was the part of this equilibrium. So here we have something common, and that is acetate ion. Okay, and this is going to create an effect called common ion effect. What will happen, that when I added sodium acetate, it dissociates into give sodium ion and acetate ion, and this acetate ion, because of addition of this acetate ion, concentration of acetate ion into solution increases. And as per Le-Chatelier principle, whenever concentration of one of the product is increased, equilibrium shift into backward direction. Okay, so by adding this sodium acetate into the mixture of acetic acid, I can shift that equilibrium of acetic acid and its ion into backward direction, because this sodium acetate is going to produce an ion which is already common, which is present already in the solution. Similar effect will be observed if I add HCl also, because this HCl, when going to the solution, will produce hydrogen ion and chloride ion, and this hydrogen ion is also common, is already present to acetic acid. So there is a statement that whenever to a solution of a weak electrolyte, a strong electrolyte is added which has one common ion with the weak electrolyte, then the dissociation of that weak electrolyte is suppressed.